So guys, it's your boys Akitsupo and you're back with another video. So guys, today we're operating a mukbang and spicy Q&A, guys. So today I'm with tell them who you are.
You doing the intro, so why?
Yeah, tell them who you are. Okay, today I'm with my ex-girlfriend. Her name is should I tell you my name? Promise. I can handle. I can handle. Okay, so basically we're gonna be like asking questions. So yeah, and this is what we're eating, guys. Yeah, this is what we're eating. Ricotta. We're eating a ricotta, guys. So I think you should put your glass here because it's all up. No, relax. She's relax.
Yeah, first to go to game. Like, wow.
Obano posting.
When?
Obano posting.
Yo, hi.
Guys, I can't be paying food market alright. Aye. But we don't go to German noodles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like there's like 13 questions.
Wow. You never told me about 13 questions.
Ne.
Yo.
Ane. So
I'm going you.
first question. Ne? And then please do not tell us like ne. First question. How long was your relationship? Like our relationship, how long was it? Should I go first?
Yeah.
Should I go first?
Yeah.
Nah, I can't be going first because Uzotuena.
How long was our relationship? Is it how much?
Months.
They can't be years.
Did you say months? Yeah, as long as it's years, man. Did you say months?
Yeah.
And can you please remove your head?
Yeah. 4 months.
Are you sure? Guys, to be honest,
guessing.
to be honest, I don't know what's in it's but yeah, tell us what's cards in.
Ah, we are robbed.
Nyadala. But to be honest, I think it's like it was in a month, dog. It's not even months.
No.
It was like I think it was like weeks.
Weeks?
Yeah, it was like weeks.
It wasn't weeks.
Bruh, please remove your hand, bruh.
I don't want to. Hey. It wasn't weeks.
For real?
Yeah. Because I remember. Okay, never mind.
Bruh, you're not eating. Eat, bruh.
I don't want to eat.
I don't want to eat. Who's gonna eat, girl?
As.
Oba knows what if I would.
Yes.
So that's the answer.
Yeah.
Are you sure about that answer?
Yeah.
Are you sure? 100% sure?
Yeah. I am sure.
Okay. What are you doing? Evan. Okay. Second question. Second question is, what did you like about us? Yo. What did you like about us?
Then everything was.
This one is lying, guys. This one likes to lie.
I'm not lying there, guys. Okay, to answer his question.
Yeah, answer my question.
Yeah.
Answer,
Okay.
Moji.
Let's see.
Yeah. What do you like about us?
Whoa, we are Robert number.
No.
I answered the first question, so he's supposed to answer this one first. Why should I start?
Okay, I'm starting. Yeah, I'm starting.
Start.
What do you like about us?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot, too. And then now you know.
I know nothing.
Stop acting like you don't know.
I know nothing. Yeah.
Okay, you know what I like about us? Yeah. Actually, liked. Oh, I'm saying like. Okay, liked. Yeah. Is money. Ungalakan. To be honest, I mean, there is being inside the market. Or what you like? Like, man, we were cool, bruh. Like, we were like, we carve like that couple, man.
What? Cow.
We carve.
Oh, he just stole my answer.
Nah, you see, that's why I don't answer first. You see what you're doing.
I'm just kidding him.
Yeah, but
Yes.
so yeah, we're a couple, man. A cool common collective, you carve. So yeah, man. That's what I'm gonna say.
And what do I have to say?
Hey, you must
Nothing.
say. You must say what you wanna say, Baba. You can't say.
I agree. He said, what do I have to say? Nothing.
I forgot to bless the food. Yo.
Let me just keep it.
Can you please close your eyes?
For what?
I'm blessing the food. What's wrong with you?
You're blessing your food.
Yeah, even yours, because you're about to eat.
Who told you?
You.
Hey, Baba.
Who said so?
Bruh,
Nah.
can you please respect my prayer?
Your prayer, when I respect your own prayer, I will pray for myself.
Yeah, like, can you please close your eyes? Because I'm praying now. Are you closing your eyes?
Yes.
Why open your mind?
Because you said I should close my eyes. I
Close
am.
your eyes.
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Amen. Yeah, I did pray. Yeah, you have to answer.
Okay.
This is nice.
What I liked about us. What's to guide him? Yo.
I'm looking for this answer. Okay, Vincent.
Look at them. Okay. I was laughing, Shemi, and I was.
Aww. I was loving you.
Yeah, he was loving Shemi. And then, like, he invested
Hey, manna.
a lot in our relationship. That's all.
What are you saying about invested?
The Valentine thing.
Oh.
Come on.
Oh.
You, this guy.
No.
You see food, guys.
No.
Yeah.
No. I invested. Okay.
Don't ask me what you invested. Don't.
Okay.
Because I won't answer him.
Okay, bruh. Can I ask you this? Can you please eat? Please, bruh.
I don't want.
I can't buy food then when you're not eating.
I know. Okay, it's not a must.
Nah, I didn't say it's a must, but like, please, can you please eat?
Aye.
Are you hungry
Can
or
we
not?
just get done with this?
Are you hungry or not?
I'm not.
Hey, manna. Well, okay, why do you want to get done with this? Are you rushing somewhere?
No.
So, eat the food, nigga.
Okay, guys.
Nah, relax. You're coping, yeah, bro. Relax. Relax. Eat the food, dog.
No. And then when are you busy laughing? This thing is.
No, I'm not laughing. No, I'm not laughing. Listen to me. Listen to me. Look at
No.
me. Look at my eyes. Look at my eyes. Please eat the food, dog. Please. Oh, you don't want to eat. Let's jump to the next question, right?
Yo, imagine 13 questions and already we just answered 2. This guy not serious. Yo.
Why are you freaking out? I want to
you
freak you
know
out now. Okay. Third question. What was your favorite thing about me?
About you.
Take ages to answer one question.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Joe. No, it's a weird.
What are you trying to say? Nothing.
I never said anything though. I was just asking it's Wednesday.
Guys, whoever is joining right now, leave your hand. Hands.
What's wrong with hands?
I asked you what you. What do you like about me, Utu, and our bacon and that? Damage, emotional damage. That's one.
It's not emotional damage.
Yeah, I mean, I want to know what you. What's it? Like, what do you like about me? Like on a serious note. Sorry.
What I liked about you.
And then you're not eating, Maraya. You're not there.
In case what you guys go to focus a lot. I won't focus on you and your questions. So that's why.
But your food is gonna get cold.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Answer the question.
My thought. I've been a guy.
Nah, I told you. You can't be saying that.
More honesty. More honest.
Yeah, man.
You.
Hey, man. Hey, man.
I'm asking.
Why are you asking me? Me, I'm telling you, I'm asking you a question. You know,
No, I answered the question and I did, that question, that answer had a question in it.
What?
The answer.
Yeah, so
Had
answer
a question, yeah.
Oh, that answer had a question.
Yes.
Yeah, being honest. How? I'm just saying honest. Yeah, being honest. I'm not a liar. I'm not a liar.
You wouldn't say that. Guys,
Baba, we're not the same, Baba.
That's
Me, I'm different.
the way.
Now you know what's me, I'm different.
Ever.
Now you know what's me, I'm different.
I know nothing. But anyway.
Baba, guys, mind you, please comment down below with him. Go my past relationship working. But I'll try my gift now. Cousin, I was the first one to buy her gift. Oh, which was in the man. So you had other gift, but you didn't tell me. Let me not go there, because there it's hot. It's hot, guys.
Next question, please.
No, relax. Yeah.
Dude, 13 questions and you busy saying relax.
Okay.
Yo,
Oh, sorry. What was your fourth question, yeah? What was your red flag about me? Red flag, nje. What?
But there was a time labo fulugum like almost every week. That was
Damn.
a red flag for me.
And I tell you my hand.
No, Kota, every day of the week.
Hey, Baba, you my hand, Baba. I must see you, doctor.
Oh. I do get tired and then I do want to rest. Every day.
Hey, man. I not tell you my hand. I must see you, daughter.
I did my me
That's
time.
not a red. That's not a red flag. That's not a red flag.
I did my me time also. How?
Oh, you need your me time.
Yes.
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
Yeah.
You need your me time.
Yes.
Hey, man.
This guy.
But you can have that time with me, Musa.
Do you understand the me time? Not like the together time. The me time.
So which means
Doesn't involve.
listen, which means I was boring you. That's the thing. That's the thing you're trying to say.
No.
So why you need me time? Me time yako. Minangona. If you're feeling bad, I was gonna be there for you.
Now okay, like guys. Imagine yourself man. And then like because me say like I'm gonna spend my time and then boom, girl comes with excuses every fucking day.
Also, when you came with excuses every day. Yeah?
I didn't come with excuses every day. I never did. So next question.
Yeah. Mithola kaibona. Right mithola kaibona straight.
Next question.
I'm the only one who's eating kaba.
Yeah, he's the only one.
And then Nangaza Sabuguda. Because Uti, she's scared of the camera, but now she's talking to me.
Mind you guys, this is my first time doing this.
Stop complaining.
Thing.
Stop complaining.
So he forced me.
I forced you. Ibana.
Okay, I'm joking. I agreed.
But like, if I forced you, I was gonna get arrested. Not that. That's like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm joking. Okay, fourth question. Like,
Can't we see the questions together?
Nah. But when are you gonna know how to answer?
Relax. You know how to answer.
Relax.
You see, yeah, this is
Relax.
so wrong.
Relax. Me now my red flag go as baby. Yeah, my red flag. My red flag was like, I always had excuses, dog. Like, yeah. Like on a serious note, like you always had like, I'm an excuse. When Mangfunu born, you see, I'm not laughing. You laughing?
I'm not laughing.
But yeah.
I'm not laughing.
But yeah, dog, to be honest, name. Right now, you always had I'm excuses. Mangfunu born, like you always like bring up something. You would like, yeah, but young truths, like, hey, Nepal. Like, she's a liar.
I'm not a liar, guys. How? When are you making things look like yeah?
Please remove your hand.
I don't want to. This is my comfortable zone. My head.
Okay. I see this one.
And then like I'm not gonna answer it, Jim.
Why?
Because this one, it sounds this one.
Fourth question. Why did we break up? Don't look at me like that. Why did we break up?
Being honest, angisakhumbuli. Look at the face. Being honest, angisakhumbuli, Shami.
Asakhumbuli. Should I remind you?
Yeah, please do.
For real?
No.
No, I'm asking.
Like you making it feel like, yeah, bro. Should I should I tell you? Imagine.
Yeah, like, should I tell you? I'm asking. Good see. I'm showing you.
Yeah, imagine why would that serious face go?
I don't know which face do you want.
Okay, tell me, girl.
Okay, this is basically what happened, guys. Ne?
It's about to go down.
Yeah, Kalamanzi.
Now you call drink lab. Who's called drink lab?
Kalamanzi. Because this one.
Okay, guys, she cheated. That's why we broke up. She cheated on me. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. And I'm not lying. You know very well. Why is that how Why is that how Okay, yeah, guys, to be honest, né? She cheated.
I cheated. No.
Okay, tell us again when good things in game. What's the reason, yeah? What's the reason good things in game now?
The guy ghosted me.
What?
The guy ghosted me.
Nah, that's a lie. That's a lie, nah, man.
You ghosted me.
Nini. For how long?
For a year.
I ghosted you because you cheated.
I never cheated.
You cheated, dog. Stop lying. Stop lying.
First it was the lies and the bising you. Now I cheated. Awaha.
Stop lying, bruh. No, it's nothing personal, yeah?
It's nothing personal, yeah, I
but
get
like,
it, but then me cheating.
But you cheated. Like, why? Why?
Weren't you the one who cheated?
No cheating, guys. Ish. Yeah?
Weren't you the one who cheated?
Nah. You lying. You lying. Bruh, you the one who cheated. You the one who cheated.
Okay.
You agree you go to cheating level?
Aye.
I agree. Can you mind?
Because I never did.
Hey man. I don't cheat on.
No!
Okay.
Next question.
Okay. Let me pause the video. Okay, yeah, we're still on the cheating topic.
I'm done cheating, yo.
She cheated.
Okay.
She knows the truth. That's why I tried to cheat.
Yo. Next question.
But the viewers they wanna know what very did you cheat or not. Please, but tell the truth, please. Don't call me Kimmy.
I'm cheating, okay. Okay, guys, okay, yeah. I did. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you.
But you were the one.
I was the one doing what?
You were the one who cheated.
Mina. I'm not a cheater.
No.
I'm not a cheater. And she's not one. So how do you know good in cheating?
Now how do you know good in cheating?
She went to a party, guys. Mind you. Come back. She went to a party, eh?
It's about to go down.
So you guys know Witty what happened in my party. So she went to a party. So yeah, man. I heard rumors of Witty. She was with someone. Shut up. Don't say anything. At the party, she was with someone. I don't know who was the person or what. And something happened. I can't say that on camera. It's tough. Don't look at me like that. Yeah, so, yeah, man. She cheated. And the Arafunu Vuma. So, yeah. You know girls, guys. Girls are always girls. But I'm not.
I was at a party with a guy. Rumors. Guys, rumors. Yo.
No matter of whom.
Yeah. How could you believe someone else?
No matter of whom.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I don't remember going to a party.
Bruh, the day I bought you the gift, didn't you go to a party?
Didn't you bring the gift at night?
I gave you the gift at night. As soon as I left, I came home. When didn't you go somewhere?
No.
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 Okay. Let's pass the question because this one is a bit difficult, name. Because it's been just stubborn.
Are you
Just
funny?
Because she knows what she
No,
did.
guys, I remember very well. So uzile waletha ipresent ikhele bekayiletha vele. And then wahamba ngangena ekhaya. I never went out. Where would I go at night? You Anyways, next question.
Yazin.
Abafana bayahlanya, guys.
Ubani uhlanya.
So basically,
Someone asked, ne? Okay, carry on. Basically.
No.
Yabo, kulum.
So basically, I was the wrong person throughout the relationship.
Bra. How? You cheated, bro. How should I do? I wanted to give you a second chance, no? Queen. I wanted to give you a second chance, guys. Yeah, because we did a lot of things, me and I, yeah. Not like a lot, but like, I knew, like, I saw what, like, she's, like, interested in me. Like, we could, like, date for a while and stuff. But the moment she cheated, I was like,
I like the cheating part, guys. Young Petule Moy and Sheriff. Anyways.
The moment she cheated, I was like, is she really doing this to me, man? Because me now, I will never cheat. But now she's saying I was the one who cheated. Hey, kabang. Me now. Cheated no ban. Nah. Right, anyways, let me skip the question. Okay, someone asked, ne? Uti. Would you guys get back together? If it happens by any chance, would you guys get back together? I mean, I don't know, guys.
Neither do I.
To tell you the truth, guys, ne? I've tried like talking to her, ne? But it's like to convince her with like me and her having something again, like being in a relationship again. Yeah. So what happened was like we're talking, like, you know, man, those topics like in X-Yak and stuff, yeah. Well, like, how are you? Like, I've missed you. What. So there was this day, ne, I told her with like I miss you, and she was like, I miss you too, ne. I was like, for real? Then she was like, yeah. I was like, okay. So I asked her, would like, can't you like try again? Then she was like, nah, bro, I'm seeing someone. Yeah, but I was like, okay, bro, it's fine. I can't ruin like your relationship and stuff, yeah, but. So since you guys asked Uti, can you like get back together? Be honest, to get back together.
This guy is a liar.
You.
Oban.
You're a liar.
Okay, what happened? What happened?
Storyteller,
What happened? Tell us. Tell us, man, what happened?
Guys, man, for the story, man, please. You will do the honors.
Oh, which means I'm boring.
I never said you're boring, Mara. All I'm saying is, okay, I know none of it.
Oh, and you didn't miss me when I got
No.
You didn't.
No. No, I mean like
Oh, Shizumoto was a bad guy, yo.
The texting. When did you text me like about I missed you?
That was a long time ago. I wasn't even using the thingy.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm asking Mina Guti like.
You know this question.
When I'm talking singabuyelan. Huh?
Hey, why was I mean that? It's not all up to me.
Q&A, brah. Brah. You must answer.
What? No. Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why you showing that? Why do you think we can get back together?
That, why you gonna why?
How? This is how it is.
Okay, yeah, why? How am I supposed to answer that? Like, I'm not
Explain further.
let I explain any further, yeah. It's just a yeah. I have no explaining to do.
She can't even look at me in the eyes, guys. But she's telling me what we can get back together.
Ah!
Kabang. Things we go through as a bachita. Question number 6. Did you really love me?
No.
Like,
Yeah.
Nah. Did you really love each other? Man, I did, guys. Even bought the gift. Come on, guys. You can't be asking me.
I did. How?
You
No,
did.
the cheating.
Stop feeding people lies. Me now I know. Did you really love me?
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Because if I never loved you, we would have never dated. Isn't that clear to you?
Yeah, but you can pretend. Other people, they pretend. They can't.
Pretending for what, Sishe?
We don't know, Pella. You girls are, hey.
Guys, there's friends with benefits and whatnot. Masaka Tarapo, like, get a good relationship and pretend for what?
You will never know, guys.
Ay.
You will never know. You will never know.
La.
Am I boring you?
No. Next question.
We're moving too fast. Yeah. We're moving too fast. Yeah. Now, let me do this. Do you wish we were still together?
Yo, I love a question I saw.
I saw, man.
Pendula wena, bye. Kale mina ungama question. Come on, no, it can't be for real. Uyahlafuna. Yaphendula, uyahlafuna.
She doesn't want to eat me. How?
Okay, pendula.
So, the question says, do you wish we were together? Man, I wish we were together because she was a nice person, guy. She's a nice person. And yeah, man, she's a nice person and she's a good listener. But the part I didn't like, scale yo, I true time, so true time. Marai, it's fine, but yeah, I mean, I wish we were together because she was a nice person. Yeah, and I like her personality, but we are papayas. Nyalal. But yeah, man, I wish we were together, to be honest. Yeah.
Yay!
Wena? What else on your pap? Wena, do you wish we were together?
Yeah. Cause like
Sounds like you're not sure.
I am sure. Cause like out of all the guys that I've dated him, he was the better one. No cap.
Okay. Okay. Next question. If you could tell me anything now, what would you tell me?
What would I tell you?
Yeah, what would you tell me? Like, if you could tell me anything, what would you tell me now?
Are you shooting shitty me? So yeah.
How? I'm the one who's asking you this question, bruh.
Okay. Nayi-answer ne. Sister ukuthi akazibeke kanjani.
Put it in Zulu.
Either way, akazibeke kanjani.
Okay.
Anyway. If there's anything, ukuthi ngishithaga. That's it.
For real?
Yeah.
So you did cheat, yeah, Shugut.
Cheat.
But why are you saying you would see about cheatanga? If you could tell me.
Because I'm sure.
Sorry, but you didn't cheat. My sister.
How?
Doesn't work like that.
Guys, I think cheating. So that's what I'm trying to say. Maybe I'm cheating because he said you cheating.
When you think you're smart, ne? You think you're smart,
I'm not smart. It's just. But I mean for real, like. But I'm cheating me that.
And the one thing I would tell you, ne?
Yeah.
It's like. I would like. I mean, in actually on a man, you would like him. I mean, it's on your blind. I don't want to tell you. I don't want to lie. I mean, it's on your blind. Ne? Yeah. That's what I want to tell you. Okay. Second question. Did you keep the presents that I gave you?
Yes.
Where is it?
On top of my bed.
On top of your bed?
Yes.
I must send the picture. I want to see that one. On top of your bed?
Yeah.
What's the present, Billy? What was the present?
There's a teddy bear.
You must send the picture. They want to see the picture.
Yeah, so the question.
Teddy bear, I'm guys.
Hi, the guys usafila. Yo.
Probably she was like, fuck this guy.
Fuck this guy, yeah, good.
Yes, guys. Mummies, they would do like other things, guys. If you pay a talento, there's a pill, Teddy bear. I see go there.
Usafila.
I see go there. How was the present? Was it nice?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the present?
Yeah.
So Mola ulala po Teddy bear. No one kuluma ma. Ulala po Teddy bear Mola. Don't lie to me.
No, I wasn't gonna say that.
Yeah. Yo. Okay.
Okay. So, I double teddy bear actually.
Gunabo or agunabo?
Gunabo.
Oh, gunabo teddy bear.
Yeah.
Ayoko one.
Yeah. Like loya. Ushana family.
Okay.
Yeah. So your task okay. My biggest favorite. Yeah.
Oh, so you just put them there. Besilo munye bamqindezela vele lo special bamqindezela.
Hey no, akacindezelwa.
Hi. Things we see here. Guys. Things we see
This
here.
guy there
This video.
likes making things difficult.
This video.
Very easy.
Okay, second question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second.
No, like
You still shit.
no
Yeah.
question, eh?
Yeah.
What's your favorite memory about us being together? What was your favorite memory?
Guys, I have a lot of memories, man. But my favorite one was the one when he came with the gift. He looked so cute.
But nah.
He looked so cute with the pepper bag there. Yeah.
Oh, I look so cute. Can't you? I'm not cute now.
You are. I should say memory. So
Yeah.
that's my memory.
Well, the way you're saying it looks like those days Naga's gift. I wasn't looking cute.
I don't even know.
I'm asking me.
I never said that.
Oh, I was looking at it. And please don't lie. Please don't lie. Please.
That's low. Yo,
Okay. We're gonna trust you.
Yeah.
Since we're now. Let me keep quiet.
Can't do I? Yo. Ugh.
What are you doing? What are you doing? But you can see it's fine. Now what?
I'm just telling like this.
Now what? Yeah.
Biggest regret.
Yeah, that's the question I was about to ask, really. What's the biggest regret about our relationship?
Hey, guys. Agas.
I was. Come back. Come back to the camera.
I've fainted. Agas.
I was ganja and dying. That's not possible.
I don't know. Accept Agas. Is it?
Yeah, it's calm, but please explain.
What's why you guys? Agas. And then, guys, that's no explanation.
Don't like move your hand and done.
I don't want to.
See, girls like this, my it's fine. Okay, the question I'm going to are equal, like.
Last question.
No, it's not the last question. Nah, food senior buzeli alale ang the last question. But see, someone asked, do you guys still think about each other? Do you think about me? You don't? Yo. Hi. So which means, guys, I was a bad boyfriend.
Never said that.
Kabang.
I never said that. How?
Kabang. Yeah?
How? Okay, guys. Thank you.
Did I say that, Mina?
Because I know.
Did I say that, Mina?
Yo, yes.
Even if when I walk up, starting when I see her, like I greet her, like we could like have like a conversation.
No, when I'm talking Bulisi and then we don't talk.
Why is me tall? Why is me tall? Me tall. Okay, born more.
So actually, show okay, guys. Okay.
Okay, Vincent.
Sa kulumba. Yabo? Yeah. Yabo? Bila na guys. Yo, out of all my exes, iba blokile. It's like you go to the second, still viewing my status.
Hi. Okay. Let's hope she's telling the truth. Hi. Okay. Hi. Okay, last question, guys. This one is not there. This one. Last question is, if I were like to say to you, can we get back together like me and you? Would you like get back? Would you like come back? If I was like to ask you, like, can you please come home? Like, come back home. Would you like come back home? Don't like forced like or something else. Like I'm just asking, like, this is like out of topic question. Yeah. I'm just asking you, like, if I were to say to you, can you please come back home? Would you come back home?
Now the problem is that question. Uguti, if I were to say, No.
If you were to say no,
You don't get me there.
I don't get you.
Okay. The question will tell boy can
It's like if
you were to say
okay, let me just say it. Yeah, let me just say it. Yeah, can you please come back home? Yeah.
why laughing?
Yeah. Yeah.
Why laughing? Answer me.
Nah, I'm not laughing. I'm giggling.
Why are you giggling?
Just so you're not answering my question. You're not answering my question. Can you please come back home, bruh? Please look at me in my eyes and tell me.
Cause I don't want to.
Yo.
No, I haven't answered your question. Stop being chacharak.
But the way you say you.
Chacharak lo, bega kapenduli.
Okay.
Yo.
Let's hear the answer.
Yeah, it's a no. I'm joking.
Nah. For real, bruh.
I'm joking. Oh. Yeah, I'm joking.
You joking? You joking on Uti? You said no, or like
Yeah.
you joking with you said no.
Yes.
So what are you saying to me? Are you coming back home or what?
I would.
You would.
Yeah.
That's not an official answer.
It is because the first question you said was if you were. So that.
Nah, I changed the question. I changed the question. Me now I'm asking you like, can you please come back home? When you say
Yeah, the
you would.
guys.
Shaban.
What is green?
Hey, Baba, I'm singing, Baba. Hey, what are you singing about? I'm
Yo,
singing.
guys. Abafana.
Bruh. No, I'm not moving your hand. I'm moving your hair.
Okay.
Your hair.
I'm saying, guys. Abafana. Huh? Yo. I'm not saying anything. Abafana.
So you're not coming back home?
I would.
Oh, yeah.
Nakangifuna ukushaywa.
Shower. Who's gonna shower you?
Bachari bakho.
Who's my girls, bruh? I'm telling you, bruh.
But anyways, ambasabi.
Okay.
Because
Okay. Listen. There's like one more question. Please look at me in my eyes.
I'm looking.
Please move the hand.
No.
Okay. So like, if it's not even a matter of if. I'm asking.
Right?
Nah. Listen.
Like yo.
Listen.
Okay. Like,
Can I have a kiss? Yeah, like legit, like I can I have a kiss?
hey,
Not on camera though.
is this a joke?
No, it's not a joke. Not on camera. Like not like this, because there's kids watching.
Kids.
Yeah. I'm gonna cut this part, baby. Like.
Yo, guys. Yo, to think of because I never wanted to do this video, ne? Yo, Ashim.
Is it a yes or no? I'm not forcing you. I'm just asking. Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
For real?
Mhm.
I tune.
Yeah.
I tune.
Yeah.
Like legit.
Yeah. No.
Okay, guys. That's the end of the video. So please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna drop her IG handle here. Please follow her on IG and like don't forget to comment down below, guys. We love you guys and peace out.